Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to discuss how to multiply integers to a fraction power with different bases. Now here's the thing, when you have different bases and you multiply integers, you can't really multiply the two, especially when it comes to fraction powers. Now, here's what I mean by this. Suppose you have 3 to the 1/4 and you want to multiply that by 5 to the 2/3. Now, these are integers, they're different bases, and they're both just fraction powers. Now, if you have integers with different bases, multiplying them is a little bit difficult to begin with, but if you simplify them beforehand, you can multiply them after. But when you incorporate fraction powers into it, it really becomes difficult because the fact of the matter is, if you have different bases, you can't multiply them to begin with, and then with fraction exponents, it makes it even difficult because you have 3 to the 1/4 is really 4th root of 3, and then you're multiplying it by the cube root of 5 squared, which is 25. So 4th root of 3 times the cube root of 25, you actually have no choice but to leave these terms as is. So the bottom line is, when you're multiplying integers of different bases and a fraction powers, you really are kind of stuck. What I mean by that is you actually have to leave the terms as is because they're not combinable, for lack of a better word. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's the short answer on how to multiply integers to fraction powers with different bases.